Hello my JV friends, here's a quick demo of how Preequell works. Now obviously we have surveys here, and then we have the dump view surveys, and then we have tutorials, and obviously then grab the upgrades, bonuses, and a fully decked out support desk. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come straight onto the dump view funnel section. Now we've already built 5 high converting survey funnels for you. All you do if you want to use one is click on use template. Alright, and then that will take you here, and really all you need to do, all you want to do is use it as is come to the question section and change out this link here to your affiliate link, and then change these out to your affiliate link, and then your survey is ready to rock and roll. The thank you page is sorted, the design is done. All you would do then was click save survey. Now if we go and open that up, it will open up as your done for you survey. Okay, now you can add background images and all sorts. In fact, I created one earlier. Just all I did was add the background image and just fiddled with the design, and then you just click on start quiz. Okay, and then they just ask you the questions. Now you want to try and ask them questions so they continue through the survey. If they click the no button, it just takes them to the affiliate offer. Okay, so they'll just take them to that link that you put in the questions box. But otherwise we want to try and make them come through the funnel best we can. No. Okay, boom, takes us to the thank you page. Now on this thank you page we can put images, we can put videos, and this button here will go to our affiliate link, or you can turn this into an opt-in box and build an email list. Okay, so you can get some highly targeted, highly engaged subscribers. Alright, so only those who come through will click on this button. And we've got 5 of these funnels for you, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight out of the box. Now if you want to go and create one, you just come to surveys here. Oh, I'm already there. Then create survey, okay? You come here, create survey. And it's real simple stuff, okay? You're going to give your survey a heading, alright? You can give it the image that sits here, okay? So this image here, give that an image. You have the headline box, you can have the start button, quiz text, you can pick the different icons, okay, anything that you like. Then come through, ask your questions, give it a title, you can give it a start date, and you can finish on the date. This is where the thank you page goes, and then you can start making your your quizzes. Alright, so add step 1, step 2. What sort of question do you want to ask? Do you want single line, text, paragraph, buttons, multiple choice, okay, ratings, date, time, phone numbers, okay, email address, whatever you want to collect. Alright, you can do that, and then you can ask as many of these questions as you like. Just fill them out, save your survey, come over to your thank you page. This is your money page. Alright, this is where you want to have the call of action for them. As you can see here on the final step, you can basically put any call action you like. Now you want to try and use 6 font, make it bigger, you can make it bigger. You want to make the color blue, you can make it blue. Alright, so font styles, alright, make it 6, square it up however you like, and then you can change all the design buttons, all the rest of it, so you can go through there. So guys, awesome piece of software. We have heaps of training around this one as well. So on our training, look, we've got actually how to use the software. Then we have how to use the done for you packs, and then we've also given you 20 image packs, so background images to use. But then we've also got how to make money videos. Okay, so we've put together some how to make money with survey videos and quizzes videos. All right, so we've gone above and beyond, and of course then we've got the done for you stuff as well. So cruise through, check it out. If you've got any questions, hit myself or Mr. Sean OG up, but it's pretty self-explanatory. We do have all these training videos that you can go cruising through and checking out as well. It also has a lot of tells you how many users have gone through, responses, questions, and also if you want to check out the get traffic, click on the get traffic and you can check that out as well. Alright, so hit us up if you got any questions. Otherwise, talk to you next time. Looking at ya.